Good day, everyone. Today we are going to talk about inheritance and how it works. So let's get started. Inheritance is a fundamental concept of object-oriented programming, in which one class acquires the methods and attributes of another class. For example, this vehicle class defines the attributes and functions of a vehicle object. In addition, a jeepney and bicycle is also a vehicle, so through inheritance, the jeepney and bicycle also derive the property of a vehicle class. A jeepney class and bicycle class can have an extra property and method of its own. It can extend the vehicle class. Therefore, we can say that inheritance defines the type of relationships. The class at the start of the hierarchy is called the base class, superclass, or parent class. Any class that is derived from the base class is called the subclass, extended class, or child class. All right. For us to further understand how inheritance works, let's use our example in Java. So here I have my class that contains my main method, an additional class called vehicle, a class called bicycle, and a class called jeepney. So what we want to do now is for our bicycle and jeepney class to inherit the methods and attributes that the vehicle have. So let's go back to vehicle class and use the attributes we have in our previous example. We know that all vehicles have a speed, so let's put a double variable called speed, and the methods, which is move. So void space move, and then add the open and close parenthesis. And let's say that the vehicle is running. Let's also add a stop method. Let's print the vehicle has stopped. Now, in order for the jeepney and bicycle to inherit the methods in the vehicle class, what we are going to do now is put extends in bicycle and jeepney class, and then the name of the class which you would like to receive everything from. Therefore, bicycle extends vehicles, and then jeepney extends vehicle. Okay, now it's time for us to see if the bicycle class and jeepney class have inherited the method and attributes of the vehicle class. To do that, let's create a jeepney object and bicycle object in our main method. So let's put bicycle. We will name it a bicycle equals new bicycle. Then jeepney, we will call this one jeepney equals new jeepney. We will have our bicycle use the speed variable and stop method. So system.out.println. Bike.speed. For the stop method, we'll use bike.stop. On the other hand, for the jeepney, we'll use the move method, so it's jeep.move. Now let's see first on what will be the output for the bike. And it says 0 and the vehicle stopped. Now let's see on what will be the output for the jeepney. We can see that it displays the vehicle is running. But let us remember that we do not list anything in the jeepney class and the bicycle class. So what happened? The answer is because since the jeepney and bicycle is a subclass of a vehicle class, the bicycle and jeepney are able to inherit everything that it has, such as its speed variable, the move method, and the stop method. Another benefit of inheritance is that we can have the bicycle class and jeepney class have their own unique variables, since we know that both of this object are different kinds of vehicles. So we can use the example earlier that bicycle will also have a different number of wheels. Therefore, int wheels equals 2. Then for our jeepney, we are going to put int wheels equals 4. Now going back to our main method, let's show the amount of wheels the jeepney and bike have using the println statement. So jeepney.wheels and bicycle.wheels. And we can see that our bike have 2 wheels while our jeep have 4. So yeah, that's the basic of inheritance. I hope you guys learned something, and thanks for watching.